My name is Jacob Jenkins. Running for Decatur School Board for four simple reasons. We've got to begin to put our students first. And so with that, I look at us being able to, reimagine public education and what it can look like in our struggling district. The other thing is that we need stronger partnership, especially community partnerships. So bringing the community back into the schools as a way of help stabilizing and engaging families. The other thing is we need is better board governance. We see that the board cycles out every 2 years. And with that, sometimes there's a lack of accountability, there's a lack of transparency, and then there's, flagrant disregard for the law, where the Open Meetings Act was violated 16 times. And then in previous board cycles, they locked kids out of school that had disabilities. So we kind of see a track record with the district, I'll say with district leadership as well as the board, and we just need some accountability.
Thank you. Do you have any specific policy or budget goals?
Specific policy and budget goals. One of the things that I would like to see around policy is we have to do better at our wraparound services for our students and our parents. So that's going to be a huge focus for me. The other thing around
what are wraparound services?
So wraparound services are pretty much when students need interventions or families may need interventions, whether it's mental health, whether it's substance abuse. The idea is to not only stabilize them in the classroom, but to also make sure that they have a safe environment at home where they can learn. And so that's really what the wraparound services are.
Okay, and I had cut you off. You were about to say?
No, you're fine. I don't remember.
Okay, I was asking about any specific policy or budget goals.
Yeah, and so the other budget goal is to make sure our teachers have the basics, like Clorox wipes. That may seem like something that's really small, but when there's a breakdown in the supply and access to the supplies and it hits the teachers' pockets, that's something that's real. So just making sure that we are being good stewards of taxpayers' dollars, that that there is a fair distribution of the money that comes in, whether it's Title I or otherwise, to where our students are getting what they need.
Okay, what's Title I?
So Title I is a pot of money that we get from the federal that is designed to help with student achievement and to help bridge those gaps. So, it can be used for ELA and other programs like that. It can be used for
ELA?
English language arts.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Know all the lingo.
I do apologize. Yeah, so it can
That's
be used
okay.
for English and language arts and reading programs and all of those other things, as mitigation strategies and interventions to get our students up to where they need to be. That even goes to paying for after school tutoring programs and the likes.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.